Mr. Monkey Man here. I'm going to be talking about some stuff that you may or may not know about Minecraft Xbox One Edition. Let's get to it. First off, Minecraft Xbox One Edition is originally going to be $20. But if you had it on the earlier consoles like PS3 or Xbox 360 like me, then it'll only be $5 to upgrade. Xbox One should be coming out around, I'm thinking maybe 30th of this month or 1st of next month. I know it's sometimes super soon. Minecraft Xbox One Edition is going to be mainly from Mojang instead of 4J Studios on Xbox One. Minecraft Xbox One Edition is going to be mainly from Mojang. I'm expecting mods and more texture packs because Mojang is a big fan of mods. I guess they just know it makes the game 100% better. Microsoft or Mojang, I can't remember which one, said that they're going to try to make Minecraft Xbox One a little more open than the other consoles. That very well just says right there that we're going to have mods, and we probably are going to have a whole bunch of stuff that the PC has, because the PC is basically a cheat of Minecraft. Even though it's a great game, I'm not ratting on it, it's just you can do whatever. If you can't get Minecraft Xbox One Edition, or you don't have enough money to afford it, no offense, but if you don't have enough money to afford it, you're broke. Don't worry though, because Minecraft Xbox 360 Edition and PS3 Edition will still be getting updates, so you'll still be good. And my 5 facts about Minecraft Xbox One Edition. Hope you enjoyed!